So basically, if we see the current situation in India, everyone aspire to be a IT engineer or CSE engineer because what they feel is that उसमें पैकेज ज़्यादा अच्छा है, उसमें जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, उसमें ग्रोथ का मॉडल है, and everything is there to have a better life. In electronics, the jobs are not glamorized. कि अभी अगर आप बोलोगे फॉर्मवेयर इंजीनियर, आधी जनता को पता ही फॉर्मवेयर क्या होता है. So they don't feel that कि अगर मैं ये करूँगा तो मेरी कोई reputation build होगी. Money is also there, but reputation लोग जानेंगे. For example, everyone wants to have a job in Microsoft, Google, Adobe, but nobody knows कि hardware में भी ये jobs available हैं, and firmware is basically kind of a coding which is done on a hardware part. So it is a coding part and it is more tougher part. Like लैपटॉप पे आप कोड करते हो, आपको पता है कि उसमें तो रैम है अच्छी खासी, यहाँ पे तो आपकी केबीज में रैम भी नहीं है, and you will face memory issues. So all the data structure things will come into play which you never thought that can come. Memory run हो जाएगी ये सब. So to fill this gap, we need to see two kind of people. So how we hire, I'll explain you. कि the people who want to do this set up a lab in their home in early stages. 16 साल के भी हैं बट वो सोल्डरिंग अपने घर में सेटअप करके बैठे हैं, ऑसिलोस्कोप खुद ही खरीद लेते हैं. दे डू समथिंग लाइक दैट, एंड आई विल टेल यू दैट 90% ऑफ देम आर नॉट बीटेक गाइस. They are BCA, BBA, geography BBA, and they all know about this because they have interest in that. So it's like a talent hunt for hiring these kind of people. The second kind of people are like who have an interest in them but they don't know how to move forward in this. So उसके लिए यही चीज़ है कि इकोसिस्टम जब तक बताएगा नहीं कि आपके पैकेजेस, आपके ग्लैमराइट कोशेंट, रेपुटेशन इतनी ऊपर जा सकती है because you're solving a very big problem. Hardware is hard and India have to do hardware to come to get to the 5 trillion level. So उनको जब ये प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं पता है तो वो आगे से मूव ही नहीं होते हैं. तो हमारी कोशिश है कि मतलब like what as a community we should try is to have more events like this, appoint more people, students से connect होना चाहिए, and they should know that this is also a reputation based glamorous job जहाँ पे आपको for example एक Swiggy का product manager is like very cool person on LinkedIn, but hardware का कोई like firmware developer is not a cool person for them. So this is need to be changed, and this can be changed if the community sitting here can constantly participate and create this event. इसका लोगों तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान बढ़ाया जाए. And engineering and non-engineering, दोनों kind of people should be invited in this to know more about it and to know that this can also build a future for them. So yeah, this is how we can create this.